Welcome to Fast.Repair. In this short video, we'll answer some commonly asked questions so you can maximize your success on the platform. What makes Fast.Repair different from other platforms? We believe in quality over quantity. We provide exclusive one-to-one job matches, meaning you're not competing with other businesses on the platform for the same job. This ensures a higher rate of success and a better experience for both you and the customer. How does the commission structure work? You set your own commission. This is the amount you'll pay each time you're matched with a potential customer, and the job is added to your app. You have complete control over your commission and can change it any time within the app. The commission is inclusive of VAT and is deducted automatically from your chosen payment method at midnight each day. You only pay after we've introduced customers to you. How does commission affect the number of jobs I get? Well, firstly, we don't rank partners by commission. Instead, we use custom ranking factors as part of our proprietary matching algorithm based on speed, labour rates, and feedback scores. However, a higher commission leads to more customer introductions. Our system automatically invests more in advertising, Google ads, Facebook ads, etc., in specific locations according to the eligible partner's commission in real time. So when you are the eligible partner, this increases your visibility to potential customers and you receive more jobs. What is the average quote acceptance rate? Over 35% of customers accepted quotes through Fast.Repair in 2024. This is because customers are pre-qualified and have already seen your pricing and availability. Your jobs appear in your app pre-sorted into new quotes and new bookings. We could send you only new bookings where the customer has already accepted your quote, but the nature of repair services means specific questions can't always be answered online. This is why we connect you with every customer that was given your quote through Fast.Repair, so you can quickly respond to each customer and answer their questions. Here's one we get asked a lot. Will I be competing with other partners for the same jobs? No, we match each customer with a single partner. This means you're not wasting time and effort chasing leads that have already been claimed by someone else, and customers aren't inundated with nuisance sales calls. Customers expect a rapid solution for urgent repairs. They also expect a seamless digital experience. That's why we match customers instantly with an available partner in their area and provide immediate pricing and real-time availability for partners, and this makes our platform truly unique. How does Fast.Repair ensure customer satisfaction? Our platform is designed to provide a seamless and positive experience for customers. We provide automated notifications for job progress, including updates on parts on order, appointment reminders, and even notifications when you're on the way with an ETA based on your GPS location. Happy customers are more likely to leave positive reviews and recommend your services, helping you grow your business. How do I manage jobs through the Fast.Repair app? Our app provides a comprehensive job management system. Get to your jobs quickly and efficiently with integrated navigation, distance, and travel times based on your current location and live traffic information. Automated customer notifications keep customers fully informed with SMS email updates at every stage of the job. Easily update the job status, appointment confirmed, parts required, parts on order, completed cancelled, so you can keep track of your progress, keep customers in the loop and reduce your admin time so you can spend more time repairing. How do I become a partner? To set up your account, complete the steps shown on the home page of your Fast.Repair app. Let's go through them together. Targeting. This allows you to configure your services, postcode areas, call-out, labour rates, availability and commission. Your targeting is matched to new customers. Business identity. Provide some basic information to verify the legal entity providing services. Insurance. Upload a copy of your public liability insurance certificate into the Fast.Repair app. To do this, visit Settings. Click Verification, and there you can upload your insurance documents. Payment method. Add a valid payment method to your Fast.Repair billing portal. When you've completed the steps, our team will verify the information and activate your account. You can then start receiving new jobs. That's it from me. I hope you found this video helpful. You can find lots more information on our YouTube channel at Fast.Repair. You can also email our support team. Email to support@Fast.Repair.